Helicopter 93.
Army copy 93254, Charlotte Coast, Charlie Tower, altimeter 3005, wind calm, remain east of frequency start all time. Landing on Martin Aviation will be delivered.
Understand. 3 all time. And say again, rest of the transmission and cut off on Helicopter 93254.
Helicopter 254, landing will be shown, ridge, caution, not moving area.
Understand. Helicopter 93254.
Negative 43, contact code.
Got bar street, 43 guy.
Next 604, Charlotte Tower, elevation start off the way.
Line 436 right, American 2604.
Up to 93254, traffic 12 o'clock, 3 miles, you have a Cessna 2,500 feet holding the city to now northbound.
American 1904, 5 out, 36 right.
Army copy 254, copy. Army copy 254, copy. Point of Golf, traffic got direct to helicopter 2,500 feet westbound.
Affirmative, I'll be on the lookout for him. Port of Golf.
American 1904, 4 out, 36 right.
254, you copy my transmission, traffic 12 o'clock to the Cessna 2,500 feet northbound. Number 71, Port of Golf, trying to maintain 3,000, the copy is up responding to me.
Climb and maintain 3,000, Port of Golf.
Army helicopter 254, how do you hear?
Army helicopter 254 has you loud and clear.
Yeah, I was calling traffic to you 3 times, and there's a Cessna literally right off your right into the front. You see him?
We're visual Cessna, Army helicopter 93254.
254, maintain visual with the traffic, thanks.
254. American 1904 is on the go.
Okay, 4,000, fire runway heading.
Block.
American 1904, go around, come and maintain 4,000, fire runway heading.
We're going around 4,000, Broadway heading, American 1904.
Charlotte Tower, Port of Golf, like exit out to the east after we get back in that direction.
Port of Golf, that's approved to the east, you say?
Affirmative, to the east, Port of Golf.
Roger, exit to the east, altimeter 3005.
3005, exit to the east, Port of Golf.
Foster 92, correction 254, start your descent now. Helicopter 254, Charlotte, you hear?
Helicopter 93254, say again, last transmission.
254, start your descent now for Modern Aviation.
Starting descent now for Modern Aviation, Helicopter 93254.
American 1904, flight heading 025.
Heading 025, American 1904.
Copy on 5842, final 26 right.
Yo, 5842, Charlotte, hello, 36 right to you.
26 right to 5842.
1904, flight heading 090, contact code 277.
Heading 090 and 277, American 1904.
Number 714 on the Golf, where are you going, to JQF?
This is Victor Uniform Juliet, Port of Golf.